Earning money has never been easier with this app I'll be showing you in this video. Wouldn't it be great if you could do regular daily activities like walking your dog or going for a nice walk with your family and earn money while doing so? This app, which I'll be revealing in today's video, pays users for every step they take. Yes, you heard that right. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my Money Crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. In this video, I'll be showing you how to earn money while doing your favorite daily activities. This amazing app works on both iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free. Make sure you watch this video carefully and follow all the steps. I have seen a couple of my friends missing out on a few steps and ended up not getting paid. But don't you worry, your Stacy is right here with her amazing research to guide you all the way. Now, before I move on any further, I want my Money Crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Without further ado, let's find out how to make money while walking. What if you could get paid for doing everything you're doing daily? Just imagine how many steps you make per day. What if those steps brought money into your pocket? That would be great, wouldn't it? Make money on the go, wherever you are. It doesn't matter if you're at home or school, at work or at the park. This app works everywhere and for everyone. Before I reveal this amazing app to you, I have an important announcement. I'll be giving away $2,000 to a lucky subscriber in August, so be sure to subscribe to Money Crush to have a chance of winning the prize. So, what's the name of this amazing app I'm talking about? The name of the app is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is a free app available for both iOS and Android. This app caught the attention of people from all around the globe because it's the easiest way to earn money right from your pocket. You don't even have to do anything on your phone. Do your daily activities and earn money while doing so. It can't get any easier than that. This app works in a simple way. It counts your steps and converts them into real-life cash. How amazing is that? You earn money with every step you make. Are you already thinking of going for a walk right now? You will stop driving your car or taking a bus because with this amazing app you will start earning money just by walking. But don't leave this video yet, before I explain all of the necessary steps needed to make this app work, or you might end up not getting paid. The first thing you need to do is to download Sweatcoin on your mobile device. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and download Sweatcoin. It's completely free. When you first open Sweatcoin, you'll have to sign up for a free account. It only takes a few minutes and only requires your email address. When you're done signing up, the app will ask you for permission to track your steps. Allowing this is necessary for the app to work properly. Make sure that you allow Sweatcoin to track your steps. Also, for outdoor steps, make sure that you allow GPS access. All of this requires a few minutes of your time, and Sweatcoin doesn't need anything else. So your data is completely safe. When you're done, you will see this on your screen. This is where you can see and keep track of steps counted and your balance. Sweatcoin offers a variety of bonuses you can claim. From daily login bonuses to referral programs, you can get up to 5 Sweatcoins for each friend referred. You might be wondering how you earn Sweatcoins. It's really simple. For every 1,000 steps made, you earn 1 Sweatcoin. How many Sweatcoins you'll be earning depends on how much you walk. So, you're your own boss and you determine how much you want to earn today. How amazing is that? Now for my Money Crushers who just want more out of everything. Here are 2 secret tips for you. These tips will double or even triple your money earned. So pay close attention to what I'm about to show you in a minute. Many people miss out on these secret tricks and end up with less money earned. But your Stacy is here to make sure you earn the most money possible. Every day you can turn on the daily double boost. For 20 minutes every day, this app gives you a boost to get double the amount of Sweatcoins from your steps. How cool is that? This app literally wants you to walk and get paid. Have you ever imagined you could be simply walking and getting paid by an amazing app like this one? The second tip for you guys is to collect daily rewards. Sweatcoin will give you 3 daily rewards for you to collect. They are available right here, and all you need to do is to collect them every single day. You can get up to 1,000 Sweatcoins, and that's equivalent to 1,000,000 steps. That's how generous this app is. Another bonus tip is hidden inside the remainder of the video, so keep watching. In the Sweatcoin app, navigate to the Shop tab. Here you can see all of the available physical and digital products you can buy with Sweat Coins. With Sweat Coins, you can get up to 70% discounts on some products. For those who want more out of this app, you can buy a premium membership. You'll earn more coins with premium, and also you'll get access to some premium products, like for example, a $50 night gift card. Now for the bonus tip I promised, listen carefully, because this might make you rich in the future. Sweat Coin is launching its own cryptocurrency in September. All of the app users will get free crypto. And the best part of this, you will get as much crypto as you have coins in the app. Just imagine free crypto is just for walking and collecting Sweat Coins. It can't get any better than that. You can earn as many coins as you want, and all of them will be given to you in September 2022 as crypto. Don't worry, your earned coins will remain in the app for you to spend them however you want to. Don't miss out on this opportunity because it might make you loads of money in the future. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming,